Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix slow download speed on Mac. All right, let's begin. First, click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top of your screen and select Wi-Fi settings. Next, click the details button next to your current Wi-Fi network. From here, open the TCP, IP, or hardware settings depending on your macOS version. Change the configuration option from automatic to manual, then set the MTU option to custom and enter 1453. After that, press OK and click Apply to save the changes. You can now test your download speed to see if the connection has improved. If the issue continues, go back into the details section and open the DNS settings. Click the plus icon and add 8.8.8.8.8, then add 8.8.4.4 as the second DNS server. Press OK and apply, then test your connection again. If your speeds are still slow, remove those DNS addresses and instead add 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Save the changes and test your connection one more time. So that's basically how you can fix slow download speed on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.